Hey, in today's video I will show you why 99% of people lose money in crypto, what are the 5 biggest mistakes that both newbies and advanced crypto investors make, plus how to become the 1% of investors who make money with crypto. So make sure to stick to the end if you actually want to be successful in crypto. Mistake number 1, failing to do proper research. If you are jumping into a coin just because you saw it on Twitter, you are doing yourself a big disservice. Because you should always use reliable sources of information and gather as much information as possible. You can follow the white papers of the project official website and trusted crypto news platforms. And avoid relying completely on social media, especially ex-shillers that are going to use you as exit liquidity. Number 2, you have to understand the technology, so take some time to learn what's the project's unique value proposition and make sure that it can actually work out. For example, if somebody is trying to convince you that this project is going to provide 30% APR all year long, there's something wrong with it. And always make sure to evaluate the team and roadmap. You have to investigate who is behind the project and what is their experience. You have to see if they failed in the past or if they succeeded in different projects, and additionally review the project's roadmap to make sure that it has clear goals and it is actually achievable. Number 2, investing more than you can afford to lose. This is probably the biggest problem I've seen out there. Always make sure to follow a set budget, so determine a specific amount that you are comfortable investing or actually losing and stick to it. And this amount should be completely separate from your essential savings and money that you use for your daily expenses, because last thing you want to do is getting in debts because you invested into crypto. And once you actually invest, make sure you diversify your portfolio, so you spread your investments across different coins to minimize risk, because putting all of your money in one basket is a bad idea. And make sure you focus on increasing your cash flow if you want to invest more money into crypto. Because if you want to invest more, you have to earn more. Mistake number 3, chasing short-term gains. Everyone would like to buy a meme coin, make a 100x in 3 days and call it a day. Unfortunately, that's very unlikely to happen. So you should develop a long-term strategy for investments. You should focus on the bigger picture and create a long-term investing plan. Because day trading or trying to time the market is the easiest way to get wrecked in any market, and in crypto especially, because the market is very volatile. And make sure you avoid emotional trading and stick to your strategy no matter what, even during market volatility. Avoid making any impulsive decision based on fear or greed. And one of the best ways for long-term investments is actually using dollar cost averaging. So it means that you are investing smaller amounts of money at regular intervals. So it doesn't matter what the price of the token currently is, you are just investing, for example, $10 every single day. Mistake number 4, ignoring security. Make sure to use hardware wallets to store your cryptocurrencies. And never leave your money on exchanges or only on hot wallets. And you shouldn't store your money on exchanges because you don't own the private keys of those wallets. So for example, if the exchange decides that you cannot withdraw your funds because there was a server error, you cannot do anything with your crypto. And storing all your money on hot wallets is a bad idea, because you usually use these wallets to connect to different apps, and by mistake you can connect it to a website that is going to drain all your funds. And hardware wallets for this reason are much more secure. Because not only you have to confirm every transaction with your physical device, you also use hardware wallets as a cold storage, which means this wallet is only used to store your crypto and you don't connect it anywhere or don't use it to swap your coins. You only store your cryptocurrencies there. And make sure to enable two-factor authentication whenever it's possible. I know it's an extra hassle, however, it's going to save you one day. And be very cautious of any phishing scams. It can be in the form of an email, you may get a suspicious message on Telegram, or redirected to a website that is impersonating the original website. Always verify if you are on the right website or not. And mistake number 5, lack of patience. As I mentioned before, crypto isn't a reliable way if you want to get rich quick. Pretty much there's no option to get rich quick reliably. So make sure you set realistic expectations for yourself. Because crypto can take weeks, months, or even years to yield any returns. So make sure you are prepared for periods of stagnation or even periods where your portfolio is in the loss. And make sure you focus on long-term growth, and instead of checking the prices or the charts daily, focus on the long-term potential of your investments. And no matter what happens, stay committed to your long-term strategy. And obviously you should stay informed on your investments, so follow the market's news and any updates relating to your investments. However, don't let any short-term market noise influence your decisions. Right now we have some very interesting stuff happening. For example, there's a threat of a new pandemic, there are riots in the UK, etc. And because of it, markets got very unstable. However, if you are actually informed and following long-term vision, you know where we are in the cycle, and you know that there's nothing to be afraid of because it's going to play out as usual. So always make sure you are following your long-term strategy. Just to recap, always do your own research before investing, stick to your budget you set for yourself. Investing should be treated as a long-term game. You have to keep your investments secure, and patience is key if you want to succeed in crypto and be the actual 1% who makes money. I hope you found this video valuable. Leave a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.